Dear listeners, if I say that he is a fast runner, what am I telling about the runner? That he is fast. Fast describes the quality of him as a runner. So, here I am telling the quality of the runner, that's a noun, and fast will thus become the adjective. Adjectives work to modify nouns or pronouns. Now, what do you understand by the word modify here? Here, modify means that adjectives add up to the information of the nouns or pronouns mentioned in a sentence. Let us study about adjectives a bit more in detail. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun to add something to its meaning, like we have just discussed. An adjective is placed close to the nouns or with be verbs. This means that when an adjective is used in a sentence, it must be close to the noun which it is describing, or must be close with the be verbs. Let us understand this with the help of examples. Let's read the first sentence here. He is a trustworthy person. Here, person is a noun and the quality of the person is described with the adjective trustworthy. We have placed the adjective trustworthy just before the noun. So, the placement of adjective must be close to the noun it is describing. Now, what are be verbs? If you would remember, we had studied that be can take various forms like is, am, are, was, were. Let's find out in the next sentence about the placement of adjective when a be verb is mentioned. I am furious with my sister. Here, I is pronoun, am is the be verb, and furious is the adjective. Furious is describing the quality of the pronoun I. But we have a be verb in the middle, which is am. Therefore, we are going to place the adjective after the be verb. And thus it becomes I am furious with my sister. If you would closely observe, here the placement of adjective is also close to be verb. Let's do another example of the same kind. The cake was delicious. Here, cake is the noun, was is the be verb, and delicious. Doesn't it tell the quality of the cake? Yes, it does. So, delicious is the adjective. But we have the be verb was here, so we are going to place this adjective after was. So, we have a difference to observe here, that when a noun is mentioned and we are placing the adjective, it is going to come before the noun. And when the be verb is there, then we are going to place adjective after the be verb. Some examples of adjectives are words like bitter, sweet, cruel, innocent, healthy, massive, tiny. These are some of the words that tell us the qualities of a noun. Let's move further and find out kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be of 8 kinds. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, proper adjectives, and emphasizing adjectives. Words related to these kinds of adjectives have also been mentioned. These words will give you an idea of these kinds of adjectives. We are going to study about each one of them in detail in the next module. Thank you for being patient and watching.